Told you I'd see you in the next video, and I haven't finished my ice cream here, but we're gonna work on this problem right here. So we have a problem for this. So we have to write it. It says write it in expanded form. Okay, so write in expanded form. Trying to write in expanded form. That's what that says. Okay. And to do that, we have to, well, figure out what digits we have. So we have the 9, the 0, the 1, and the 9. And I gave you this problem again because in the last video, I noticed. Shame. You guys, a bunch of you missed this. Like, it was really crazy. This is what you did. You wrote 9, 0, plus 1, 9. That's not expanded form. I don't know what that is. Some of you wrote this number, you wrote this number, and you wrote it as 9,000 plus 19. That's not expanded either. This number is not expanded. This one you expanded. This part of it you expanded. You didn't include that place value, that place value, that place value. You need to have 4 place values. This only has 2 things, so that doesn't work either. So let's look at this just a little more here, okay? So you need to, in any number, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 place values here. You have the ones, so you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to have 4 place values for this. Just saying. Because if you don't, you won't have enough. You're not right. So this is the ones, this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, this is the thousands place value. So you need to have your place values correct. You need to have a place value for each digit. This number has 4 digits. You need 4 place values. Some of you were not including 4 place values. You didn't. You only had place values for, I don't even know. What you had didn't even make sense. Okay, so then if you're looking at this, then I'm going to have to say that, okay, you have this number. Let's look at it. So you know that's in the ones place, so it's 1. It's in the 1, so you have 9 groups of 1, worth 9. You have this number here. That is 1 group of 10. If you have one $10 bill, it's worth 10. Here, this number, there's nothing there. 0 means zippo, nothing, zilch. So there's nothing there. There's nothing. Nothing. That should be a 0. Let me erase that and see if that'll... That should be absolutely nothing. Nothing. Okay? And then we have the 9. We have to take care of it. So then, it's in the thousands, so 9 groups of 1,000 is worth 9,000. Get out your whiteboard, your paper, your pencil, and do this with me for pity's sake, guys. I don't think that you're not doing it, so you're not understanding. Let's take another number. Very similar in situation. Okay, so let's take this number, and let's look at it. So then, if we're looking at this number, we're saying that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 place values. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 place values. We have to have 4 place values. Okay, so this 2 is in the ones place. We're going to look at it first, okay? So that 2 is worth, well, I have 2 groups of 2. 2 groups of 2 means I have $2, okay? Now, I have, let's look at this place value. That is 1 group of 10. 1 $10 bill. Well, I have $10 in my pocket. Okay? I have, looks at this place value. That place value says, I ain't got no Benjamins, I ain't got no $100 bills, I got nothing in my pocket. And then I have this last one. And I'm looking at this guy, and it says, okay, I have 8 $1,000 bills. 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And each is worth $1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8. So this is worth 8,000. There's your expanded form. Okay. Again, let's look at this, because you guys, I don't know what you're doing. You're just completely whacking out numbers. So let's look at this number. And again, this number has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we need 4 place values. 1 plus another place value plus another place value plus another place value. So there I have 4 place values, okay? So then let's look at this digit. That's I have 9 $1 bills in my pocket for $9, okay? Let's look at this digit. A 0 means I ain't got do diddly squat. I got nothing, okay? Let's look at this one. This one says I ain't got anything either, so 0, okay? And this, I'm looking at this last one, it says I got 3 groups of 1,000. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. And each is worth 1,000, so I have a total of 3,000. There's my expanded form right there. Questions? Concerns? I'll see you on the next video. Good luck. I hope you get this right, because I do have a later example in this problem, in these problems that I am curious to see if you can figure out. Bye.